Hello, Atlanta United supporters. I'm Bill Westrate, CEO of American Family Insurance. American Family is honored to be part of the reveal of Atlanta United's 2023 kit, the 17s. And we're proud to be the presenting sponsor of today's international match versus Toluca. It's been an incredible journey since 2016 when our partnership with the club began. I still recall the tremendous pride and excitement I felt upon seeing the original uniforms for the first time at the inaugural kit reveal at the Tabernacle. And I have to say, the thrill never gets old, especially being there at a match, among tens of thousands of screaming United fans with our amfam logo emblazoned across their chests. It's exciting to say the least. The 17s kit is a throwback to where it all began, a tribute to the supporters who have been with the club since the beginning, and all the new ones who have joined in the past 7 years. We are honored to have been a part of the journey every step of the way. Thank you to Atlanta United and your amazing supporters for embracing us as teammates and for wearing the American Family roofline with pride. I hope you enjoy the new kits and the American Family Insurance Cup. Unite and conquer.